Welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. Spring has officially started and summer's not too far behind. So let's go ahead and make a cocktail for this time of year. I played around with 4 or 5 different recipes for a low carb pina colada. Unsuccessfully, I might add. It's just that pineapple juice has so much sugar in it, it makes it virtually impossible to do a low carb pina colada, or anything with pineapple juice for that matter. But, you come across this. This is a pina colada mix from Jordan Skinny Mixes. Now, all things said, I did not pay for this. They sent me this product to review for you guys. And I've tried it a couple of times and it's absolutely delicious. We'll go ahead and show you how we did this. It's really simple. You add rum, you add this, you add ice, put it in a blender, bam, pina colada. So let's get this started. First thing you're gonna need is a blender. My kids got this one because it said party blender on it. We looked at a couple of different ones and they said I had to get this one because it said party blender on it. Alright, so recipe is really simple. It's right on the bottle. Use 4 ounces of pina colada mix, 2 ounces of rum, cup and a half of ice. The directions on the bottle say 4 ounces of pina colada mix, 2 ounces of rum. We'll be using Nola Clear Rum. This is from Nola Distillery in New Orleans, Louisiana. Great product, a little overproof, not super high. I think it's 65%, sorry, 57% ABV. So not super high, but a little overproof. We're gonna go with 2 ounces of rum. I'm gonna have to make another trip to New Orleans and get another bottle of this. That's the last of it. And 4 ounces of pina colada mix. Two, and one more. Now the carb count on this, like I said before in a lot of other videos, we try to keep our carbs under 5 grams of carbs per cocktail. This one is 7, I think it was 7, yeah, 7 grams of carbs per serving of their mix. So again, still really low, under 10, 7 grams of carb, not bad for a cocktail, especially if you're in the mood for pina colada. Cup and a half of ice. Get your top on. And let's get this on auto and pina colada mix button number 1. And we're done. Have ourselves a nice little glass. And there you have low carb pina colada. And normally pina colada is garnished with a pineapple wedge, and again, if you're going to end up doing that, you'll end up eating it, and carbs and pineapples are really high. So we do a little fancy umbrella straw, and then that's it. So let's go ahead and try this out. And that's absolutely delicious. Jordan Skinny Mixes has sent us several different varieties of their cocktail mixes. Some of them were absolutely delicious, some of them were okay. As far as a pina colada goes, I will be buying more of this, and you can save a little money if you want to buy some yourself. They did provide us with a coupon code. So if you go to jordanskinnymixes.com, use coupon code LOWCARBCocktailGuide, you'll get 10% off your purchase. Oh man, that's just delicious. So if you're looking for something refreshing, something light, that whole tropical theme going on, and you're on that low carb diet, or you're just cutting sugar back in general, go ahead and grab a bottle of Jordan Skinny Mixes. A+ in my book for this. All right guys, y'all have a great day, because I know I will.